All right, guys. Today I have my client here, Kyle. We've been working together for a little bit, close to 2 months. First of all, thanks for joining me, Kyle. Kyle,
No problem at all, Dickie.
kind of just briefly introduce, what you do, what you like, what you're about, what do you work for, like, what are you doing at the moment?
Sure. Well, to start, financial advisor with Northwestern Mutual. Who I am, Kyle, I'm young in my mid 20s. I like to hang out with my dog and play golf when it's nice out. But I'm a financial advisor during the daytime. So essentially, what I do with Northwestern Mutual is a comprehensive financial advisor, financial planner. Essentially doing everything under the sun financially, whether that be retirement planning, insurance solutions for businesses and families, college education funding, and tax mitigation as well. Essentially giving clients a roadmap to run on so they can spend their life living, and we can worry about that for them.
Right, right. So, I mean, me and you, we have been working for a little bit close to 2 months. What's
Sure.
your kind of methods of, let's say before us working together, what was your method of getting clients and getting appointments? Like, what were you doing?
Sure. Well, the method was the old school method, I would call it. Simply, word of mouth introductions. So all referral basis and simply repetitively phoning to get appointments.
Mm, right. And like, it's been 2 months. And what is like your experience in working with me? Like, what are the results you're getting?
Sure.
Can you just kind of share a little bit about that?
Yeah. So far in the short 2 months, the experience has been fantastic. The work that you're doing, or the messages that you're helping us craft, are pretty phenomenal. And we're getting more appointments on the calendar.
Right.
Simply put.
So what's like the typical results that you're seeing actually there? In terms of volume, in terms of quality, like what do you actually get?
Sure. From the clients that or the prospects that we're onboarding, for the most part, good leads. People that have, number one, they have planning needs or wants, but they also have planning capabilities,
Mm.
and those are two very important factors as it relates to the kind of work that we're doing. So high quality.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what we go through in our program as well. Like who actually is your target market? What's the like filter, whether that's years of experience, what's kind of like the industry they work in, so
Sure.
that, we kind of find your quality clients. And last question, man. Like, so what would you say to those who's kind of like skeptical, those who kind of like on the fence and working with me? Like, what would you say to them?
Sure. Well, if we're talking about financial advisors, we're all business owners. And if you're thinking about working with Dickie, if you're a business owner, you want to invest in your own business. So that's what I did was, take a leap here and invest in my own business, to, of course, get more out of it. So that's what I would say is to, take that leap and invest in yourself and invest in your business, if you want to keep pushing forward.
Awesome. Hey, thanks for your time today, Kyle.
No problem, Dickie.
All right, have a good day.
Yep, you too.